Bonsoir Bandeko. Welcome back to Learn Lingala, and today's word of the day today is Mabele. Mabele. Let's try and say that together. M-A-B-E-B-L-E-Le. Mabele. So Mabele, when you hear Mabele being mentioned in a sentence in Lingala, it can mean one of three things: sand, soil, or land, depending on how it's used in a sentence. So let's look at how Mabele can be used in a sentence in Lingala. So here we've got Kotambola, Kotambola na Mabele te. So let's do that again. Kotambola na Mabele te. And then we've got do not walk on the soil. So Kotambola na Mabele te translates to, in English, do not walk on the soil. So Kotambola, this Kotambola means walk. So walk, Kotambola. Na, so that could be exchanged over. So on can be exchanged over in this terminology for na. Mabele, again, meaning soil. So we've got Mabele here, which means soil, and te in English, this means te in English means no. No, te. So Kotambola na Mabele te. So if I wanted to say Mabele, don't walk on the soil. So I want to say Mabele as in land, na sombi Mabele. Na sombi Mabele pona kotonga ndaku nanga. Na sombi Mabele pona kotonga ndaku nanga. Na sombi Mabele pona kotonga ndaku nanga. So that means I have brought land or soil so I can build my house. That's what I'm saying there. So there's also like a sweet that people eat, Congolese people eat. They call it Mabele, which is like a clay made of dirt, and you eat it. Tastes very salty. You might have heard about it if you know a lot of Congolese people. Mabele. So remember, Mabele. Also, sorry, I forgot to tell you one important factor. So sand, you can also say zelo. So zelo, Z-E-L-O. Zelo can also mean sand as well. So sand can mean Mabele, which is the same thing, or you could say zelo. So zelo, now look at zelo. So I'm picking up some sand. So zelo, Z-E-E-L-O, also means sand. So try and practice Mabele, try and incorporate it with your sentence, and please let me know in the comments if you've learned something new, or if you would like me to cover a particular word to explain how it's used in a sentence. Again, thank you. Learn Lingala with your host, Joel. Merci.